Welcome to the Holistic Pharmacy and Nutrition Podcast. I'm your host, Nancy Tran, a registered holistic nutritionist and strength and condition specialist, here to help you stay healthy and strong with holistic health, nutrition, and wellness tips. Today, we're talking about winter wellness. How to naturally boost your immune system so you can stay healthy, energized, and illness-free during the colder months. What you'll learn today: the best immune-boosting foods to add to your diet, essential supplements for winter immunity, holistic lifestyle habits to prevent colds and flu, natural remedies if you do get sick. So, grab your favorite warm drink, get cozy, and let's dive in. Why winter weakens immunity? Let's start with why our immune system tends to struggle in winter. Less sunlight equals lower vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for immune cell activation. In winter, we don't get enough sun exposure, which means weakened immunity. Cold and dry air equal easier virus transmission. Indoor heating dries out nasal passage, making it easier for viruses to enter. Viruses thrive in cold, dry environments, increasing risk of infections. More time indoors equals higher germ exposure. Less fresh air plus more people in closed spaces equals higher transmission rates. Did you know research shows that people with low vitamin D levels are more likely to get sick in the winter? Top immune boosting foods. Now, let's talk about what to eat to support your immune system naturally. Vitamin C superfoods: oranges, grapefruits, kiwis, bell peppers, garlic and onions, natural antimicrobials that fight infections, ginger and turmeric, powerful anti-inflammatory herbs, bone broth, heals the gut and boosts immunity, leafy greens, rich in antioxidants and vitamin A, medicinal mushrooms, reishi, shiitake, maitake, strengthen immune function. Fermented foods: yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, promote gut health for immunity. Pro tip: start your morning with a turmeric ginger shot or a vitamin C smoothie for an immunity boost. Essential winter supplements. Even with a great diet, some key supplements can give your immune system an extra edge. Vitamin D3, a must-have in winter. Aim for 2,000 to 5,000 IU daily. Vitamin C helps reduce cold duration, 1,000 milligram per day. Zinc supports immune cell function, 15 to 30 milligram per day. Elderberry syrup, a natural antiviral that reduces flu symptoms. Probiotics support gut health, where 70% of the immune system is located. Pro tip: keep a bottle of elderberry syrup and vitamin D in your winter routine for extra protection. Lifestyle habits for a stronger immune system. Your daily habits impact how well your immune system functions. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours to help immune cells regenerate. Manage stress. Chronic stress weakens immunity. Try meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. Stay hydrated. Dry air can dehydrate mucous membranes, making it easier for viruses to enter. Move your body. Moderate exercise improves immune circulation. Even a 20-minute walk helps. Reduce sugar and processed foods. Too much sugar weakens white blood cells, increasing your risk of illness. Pro tip: a simple nighttime routine with herbal tea, magnesium, and deep breathing can help reduce stress and improve immunity. Natural remedies for fighting colds and flu. If you start feeling sick, here are my favorite holistic remedies to fight it off fast. Ginger lemon honey tea soothes sore throat and boosts vitamin C. Saltwater gargle kills bacteria in the throat. Increased vitamin C and zinc helps shorten the duration of colds. Steam inhalations with eucalyptus oil clears nostril congestion and opens airways. Bone broth supports healing and hydration. Pro tip: at the first sign of cold, double your vitamin C intake and drink plenty of fluids. That wraps up today's episode on winter wellness, immune boosting tips and tricks. Eat immune supporting foods like citrus, garlic, and fermented foods. Take essential supplements like vitamin D, C, and zinc. Adopt healthy lifestyle habits to strengthen immunity. Use natural remedies at the first sign of illness. Want to learn more? Visit holisticpharmacyandnutrition.com for expert wellness tips, high-quality supplements, and holistic health solutions. What's your favorite winter wellness tip? Let me know in the comments or DM me on the Instagram at HPN_hub. Subscribe for more episodes and stay healthy all season long. See you next time.